Good morning and happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there if you celebrate. We're going to make a banana cream pie today, and we are going to use Cool Whip and banana cream instant pudding and some caramel drizzle and some milk, a graham cracker crust, and a banana. Now this has to be refrigerated for 4 hours, and then I'll top some bananas on top with a drizzle of caramel. So I'll have to bring you back, but I'm gonna pan you down so you can see what's going on. Okay, here we go. We've got the banana, and what you wanna do is you wanna take the banana, you wanna peel the banana, just like this, and I don't want to spill the milk here, and you just want to lay it in the bottom of your pie crust, just like this. This is a nice big banana. A nice ripe banana too. Give it all that good sweetness. Okay. We got one full banana sliced at the bottom of the pie crust. You want that, just like that. Just like that. Okay, and then, let me see, I got my notes here. You want to pour the milk into a large bowl and add the dry pudding. Okay, we're gonna whisk it in with a Cool Whip. So I'm using this right here for everything. There's 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of Cool Whip, and 2 small packages of banana cream. Going right in. Might have to change it, but I'm hoping I don't. And then we have the drizzle to go on top, and then I have some more banana. So we'll see what we got here. Poke it down in. Like I said, I hope I don't have to get a bigger one, but I may have to. Yeah, I think I will. I'm back. I did get a bigger one. I really didn't want to, but I can get aggressive with this. So once it's all in, excuse me, it says to mix it for about 2 minutes. You want to blend it and stir it in really well. Just like that. I just got some milk on my paper there. Hope everybody's having a fine morning today. Now that it's Valentine's Day, what's everybody doing? Please fill me in on what you're doing for your significant other or family member. Me, we don't do too much. I've already been to see my aunt, and it's my parents' anniversary, but I will mail them a card, so that will make them happy. I know a lot of folks do get married on Valentine's Day. Okay, and that's all done, and what I'm going to do is it's all mixed and blended really well. And make sure I give it one more give around. There. Then we're just gonna pour it right into the pie pan, right on top of the bananas. Just like this. Then you want to chill it in the refrigerator, and they say for 4 hours. So that's what I'll do. And sounds like this will be dessert for supper tonight. And Mr. R will be home, so maybe he'll be doing a taste test for us. Boy, it gives a nice, great big pie, nice and filled. There you go. Just like that. Just gonna smooth it up just a little bit. Used to be a little secret on making little like snowdrifts, but I forgot. It's been so long how to do it. There. I don't know if I can try to do it with this or not. Nope. I guess I forgot, but we're just going to put this right in the refrigerator, and I'll bring you back after 4 hours and it's had a chance to set up nice and good. Okay, the pie is done and I'm getting ready to take it out and serve it on a plate, and Mr. R is going to taste it. Okay folks, it came out just great. Look at that. Banana cream pie. We're getting quite a reflection off the little red lights here, but that's okay. It looks really good. So we're gonna have a taste test to let us know how good it is. And look at those bananas, and we got caramel right there topping it off. Looks yummy. Hi, Mr. R. How are you?
I am doing fine.
Great. Do you know what you're getting ready to eat?
It looks like a banana cream pie.
Yes, it is.
With caramel. Hey, I want to wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day.
Well, that was very nice of you, Ray. Can you tell us how good this pie is going to be? I know you've talked about it all day long.
Banana cream, I like it. Here we go. Oh.
Oh, what?
Yep. Very good.
Texture?
Yep, she put a graham cracker crust. I like that. Everything. See it? Very good.
Got nice texture, doesn't it?
Yep. This is good. As always.
Would you like me to make it again?
Yep.
Do you like pie?
I like pie. Pie, give me the biggest piece. That's what my father would always holler.
I know.
And he'd always holler nice and loud.
Now,
pie.
isn't there a way that Mainers used to eat their pie years ago?
Yep, there was.
Okay, if you folks hold on, I will show you how Mainers used to like to always eat their pie. Hey, Ray, what you got?
Got a piece of cheese.
You got a piece
now,
of cheese?
Now, my father always said the old farmers, you know, they'd always eat cheese with their pie. I think most of the time it'd be like an apple pie or maybe a pumpkin pie. I don't know how many banana cream pies they had 100 years ago. Don't even know if bananas was around 100 years ago in the state of Maine.
So, but he used to eat his pie, but not necessarily banana cream, but he liked a piece of cheese with his pie. So there you have it, folks. If you like, yeah, you like that?
Yep.
I don't know what kind it is. We have several kinds in the refrigerator. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. Share my videos. Never know what's going to be on my videos. Try this video. It's sugar-free. Cutting down sugar here. And I guess we'll see you tomorrow. You never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. Everybody have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Hugs from us, from me. God bless.